Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to be looking at a really simple text manipulation effect in Adobe Illustrator, so stick around and follow along with me. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at some fun text effects in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so first I want to find a nice bubbly font, so I'm going to go with this one. So the first thing you want to do is get your text here and then create some outlines so that it can be molded. I'm just going to go with the old classic circle that you know, I see it everywhere, and you know, someone might be wondering how to do this. It's really popular on t-shirt designs and stuff. So what you want to do is make a circle using the ellipse tool. I usually like to line it up first so I can kind of plan where I'm going to place each word. So then what you want to do is come in over here, over to your bars, and find your knife tool. I've noticed people saying they can't find their knife tool. I did a tutorial last year on TikTok, and a lot of people were asking, like, where's the knife tool? So you can just open up your tools here and you should be able to find it and drag it out into your bars if you can't see it. Alternatively, you can go up to the little find button up here and type in knife, and you can access it from there. So that's another trick. If you can't find something, just type it in and it'll show you where it is. Adobe's really good like that. Okay, so we've got our knife tool and we're just going to, I want to do like a wave effect for this because it's kind of like a funky 70s sort of look we're going for. So we're just going to drag it like that and do the same here. It doesn't have to be precise because we're just kind of having fun with this. You just want to go in there and make sure that they are like all separate pieces. Okay, so now you need to make sure that your words are back there, so you can either do that or just send them to the back. Now that we've got the words behind, we want to go into direct selection tool and just select that top part so that only the shape and the top line of text is selected. And then we're going to go into object, we're going to go into envelope distort, and then make with top object, and then that's what will happen. So we're going to do the same for the next line. So direct selection, drag it over, envelope distort, make with top object, same again, envelope distort, make with top object. Okay, it looks okay. Sometimes you have to, like, a lot of the time I undo it and kind of change the way the shape sits because I'm not happy with it. But you know, that looks cool. We're just making like a kind of funky poster, so it's meant to look a bit sort of wacky. So what you want to do then is actually like select all and then go into object and expand those shapes, so now they're their own separate shapes, if that makes sense. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.